yippee, little Bart back in, ready to drop another fucking bang on y'all bitch asses. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, hey. Chicken chaser, fuck that. That bitch a cock chaser, not a bitch chaser. I'm a bag chaser. Ho try to touch me, pull that stick out, not a taser. Glock 19 got 100 rounds and a laser. Told that bitch, I just want some bands. She wanna fuck, she not my girlfriend. Pull up, meet your aunt. Told the bitch I'm 10 out of 10. She said I'm a godsend. Told that bitch I'm just trying to spend. Keep saying bitch, spend this shit on my new coat. Told a hoe, I'm such a go, and I ain't talking throw. Playing games, 60-bit, they twins like same. Flying high like cockpit, I don't fuck with Brit. Told a bitch, I'm like Brad Pitt. Commander Burt, that they cherish. Money go vert, it don't perish. Bitch, my strap be nightmarish. Just roll a joint, and that shit was sad. Didn't wanna fuck, but I don't feel bad. Pop a perk or a tab, white like a church when I'm taking dabs. Popping ops, score I add. Chicken chaser, fuck that, he's a cock chaser. Not a bitch chaser, I'm a bag chaser. Bitch try to touch me, pull that stick out, not a taser. Glock 19 got 100 rounds and that shit got a laser. Told a pussy, I'm a wizard. When my ops just disappear, this ain't a stick, but we driving in 5th gear. Got left on red, but my face ain't got a tear. Only drink hard liquor, I don't fuck with beer. Birdie drop another one when he say it's clear. Don't be sad for so long, I'll be back here.